English for Everyone. Business English. Course Book, Level 1. Lesson 29.
You can take your lunch break at 1 o'clock. There's a business dress code here. You can't wear shorts to work. That's the fire alarm. We have to leave the store now. You don't have to stay late tonight. We're not very busy.
You can listen to music at work. Just make sure it's not too loud. You have to close that door. It's a special one for fire safety. You don't have to eat at your desk. There's a nice cafe across the street. You can't leave early today. We're meeting clients later this afternoon. You can shut the computers down. I have saved all the documents.
You can't park your car there. It's the CEO's space. Is your stapler broken? You can use mine.
She doesn't have to come to the training session. She did it last year. You have to turn off the light if you're the last person to leave the office.
He has to test the fire alarm every Wednesday morning. We don't have to wear a jacket and tie in the summer months.
We've run out of hangers. Could you order some more? We've run out of hangers. Would you mind ordering some more?
This box is really heavy. Could you help me lift it? I can't find my stapler. Could you lend me yours, please?
The clients are here early. Would you mind making them tea and coffee? Our card machine isn't working. Would you mind paying with cash?
Would you mind closing the door? Could you tell Jan to call me back? Could you check this report? Would you mind ordering more pens? Could you mop the floor, please? Could you come to today's meeting? Would you mind calling back later? Would you mind turning the light off? Could you wash these cups, please? Could you pass around the reports? Would you mind booking me a taxi? Could you show our clients around?
Hi, Bruno. How are you getting on with your presentation for the meeting tomorrow?
Hi, Robin. I've just finished it.
It was difficult and took nearly 2 days to write, but I know how important the correct figures are for these suppliers. If you finished, would you mind helping me with a handout for my presentation? I still have so much to do. And I need to confirm the catering for the day and their transfers from the train station. Yes, that's fine. I know that this is an important contract. It is. This is the only company that can make the parts for our bikes, and we've worked with them for nearly 10 years now. I want this meeting to go well. Could you check my handouts for typos and then print 12 copies? Of course, no problem. I'll have a look at the handouts now. Is there anything else I can do? Could you call the taxi company about the transfers and check that the meeting room is ready? It's going to be a long day. Yes, but it will be a great day if everything goes well tomorrow. Fingers crossed.
Could you book a meeting room? Could you send Sam Davies an email? Could you call our supplier? Would you mind booking a meeting room? Would you mind sending Sam Davies an email? Would you mind calling our supplier?
End of Lesson 29.